Last day. We'll see if we have any luck. It's not a bag, but we got something that you will like, that I love. Thank you, baby.
And this is part of the equipment of the Beer King, so he will be all set.
Yay! Thank you, Venice. Today, we have, ta-da! This one. This one is really good because this one is from Hermès Venice. I know you're not gonna hear me. This one is hard to find. So probably just focus on this one now because or else they're gonna talk a lot. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's see. Ta-da! It is the ta-da!
Wanna look at me?
Let's see. I'll put it in my bag. The Hermes bag right now, but we'll put it here. Ta-da!
Oh, so cute. Can you take a picture of it? Wow. Amazing, like the guy.
Go.
So today on this video we will give you the new release of our new bag charm, and we will get rid of this monster. That's the one I don't really like. It's like for kids. Personally, that's my opinion. It's not really matching with the fancy of the Hermes. So let's go.
La boo boo out. What do you have there?
It looks like you don't have anything so light, but yeah. And you have
Wow.
the horse.
The
in Swift
Rodeo.
leather.
Swift leather.
PM. So I'm not a professional to install, so hopefully it will be nice. And
Oh,
like
wow.
that. So we are amazed now by a horse rather than a monster. Now it looks like a dream. You can tell how the bag of Carlo is all set. We switch it from the ugly Louis Vuitton, like a black and orange, like for Halloween, to a fancy one with the decent color. I picked it for Carlo, by the way.
That's your gift to me.
Yeah, and we took two because I was like, should I be cheap as a French guy or to do the full set? So both of the lanyards, you say, or handles are covered. So yeah, it's nice. You can tell that maybe it's not a good color because we don't really see it. It's the same as this one. But it's clean. It's not
I like it.
ones.
I like how monochromatic it is.
Yeah.
And it's really matching and perfectly.
And with the Swift leather, it's like somewhat glossy, so you still see it.
Yeah.
And if Carlo is not nice, I can just take the horse and slap him with the colita of the horse.
Okay, I'll take a picture of you.
So look at that now. I will wear it. So like that. You move. It's like we say the pompon. No? It's like a pompon. So yeah, it's cute. I like with that. It's so nice, this version. So yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
So thank you for watching this video, and I think we don't need to give you any other additional thing to add on the bag because it's already perfect. All set.
Yay.
Yay!
Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo.
And Sebastian.
We'll see you again in the next video. And
what? You can tell that I'm the one doing the videos when I feel like some emotion and I like.
And he
I'm
really
like
likes
approving
yes.
the purchase. So yeah, the monster. No, this one, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below what do you think of this rodeo and then the twilly that we have that we got from Venice.
Oh yeah, it's a nice souvenir
Yeah.
also. Venice.
Yeah, it's a really pretty one. So thank you very much. We love you all. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.
Next year.
Oh wow.